Kingdom of Bhutan. Some of our most important magic has its origins there. They say if you listen carefully enough, the past whispers to you. The world as we know it is coming undone. Things that seem unimaginable today will seem inevitable tomorrow.
I imagine that you're all wondering why you find yourselves here. From this moment forward, each of us has been assigned a role to play.
If we're to defeat Grindelwald, you'll have to trust me, even when every instinct tells you not to.
Dumbledore asked that I give you something, Jacob.
Are you kidding me right now?
Oh!
What you're doing is madness. With or without you, I'll burn down their world. Do you really intend to turn your back on your own kind?
Rescuing me, are you?
Oh, well done.
Off to save the world, are we?
Not to worry. You'll be perfectly safe.
Our war with the Muggles begins today!
How will we fulfill our destinies and transform the world?
The Secrets of Dumbledore.
You're not swiveling properly.
I'm swiveling like you're swiveling it.
I don't believe you are.
Rated PG-13. Only in theaters April 15th.